G'day. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an ASBT19 video. So we're gonna search up and that's right, ask. It doesn't have images because they're stupid. Better use a better search engine like Bing. I don't care about Bing News. All I care about is searching up image related to the thing in question. What is a Pepsi Max? So you find a good Pepsi Max that looks pretty decent, such as this one, and you snap a screenshot, chop off the bits you don't like, save it, and then we're going to make a thumbnail. So you put the logo in the top corner, you put the logo in the bottom corner, and I put my blank here. Excuse some minor interruption, but now I'm thinking, what do I do? And I have to decide a nice big "the" on the side, and on the other side, best. And then I'm going to put a little best on the can, just to give some colour to the can, to make it even more obvious. Yep, and I'm going to find a place where it looks good. I decide to put it there, make it white. That works. Yeah, so it's about here when I decide this will be a good thumbnail, and oh dear, it's a bloody glitch again. Oh my god, I hate it. I'm going to do the lazy tricolour. You know the one. Yep. As you can see, 3 bests and the logo. The bests are always in the different colour. It means that it's easy to read and stuff. Really, it's not that much effort, but hey, at this stage it's becoming a trope of my thumbnails. Okay, so now you're here, you're going to have to do the editing for the video. So what do? You're looking at finding the right one, and so this is where you find the right one. Come on, yeah, I'm looking for all things because I'm not that good. And it's moving, you straighten it out, just because you don't want them having too high a bit rate, so it takes longer to upload. Then you record what you say. In this case, it's talking about how Pepsi Max is so great. And then once you've done that, you notice that, hey, doesn't what we call adjust, so you adjust it manually. Perfect length. And then, boom, you've got a quick, cool ASBT19 video. And that's pretty much how it's done. But just when you made the video doesn't mean it's done. So I'll type down the best, and then you go, don't forget like and subscribe, the usual entertainment, medium. I find this makes pretty decent content, pretty low effort, but pretty decent for the amount of effort. Fun, short videos. There's always abundant market for super short videos. So anyway, I'm just making this so I can get 6 videos today. So yeah, and you pick the thumbnail, that is all.